Zaffar from the Zaffar tutorial. So today is my topic about the design feature of language. So let's get started. Number first design feature of language is displacement. What is displacement? Here the definition is displacement, ability to speak not only about what is happening at the time and place of talking about also other situation, future and past, are real or unreal thing. So what is displacement? I am here, I am talking about my past, or I am talking about my future. What will I am happen in future? I will do this, I will do this job or anything. So this is I am talking about the future. So what is this? This is the human capability to speak about his past, his future, that is called displacement. This is the first design feature of your language. Number second feature is arbitrariness. So this definition is there is no natural connection between the word or sound and the things that denotes it. Means we can't tell the meaning of the word is simply by looking at it. For example, why table is called table. So what is arbitrariness? For example, this is a pen. Why the pen name is pen? So it is no logic behind that the pen is, and the name of the pen is pen. There is no real logic about that, behind the logic that why this is a pen. This is a table. This is why this is a table. There is no real connection between word and its meaning. So this is why we call the language is arbitrariness. Number third is productivity. It is also called the creativity or open-endedness. So its definition is ability to produce new words. So human, for example, there is a scientist, he invented new things. So what the name the thing is? So what's the name? We take a name for that. For example, when a baby born, we name it. For example, the baby is born and his name is, for example, Ahmed or Ali or XYZ. So this is the ability in human that he is think the name of any baby. So this is the productivity. Our scientists invented new things and name these things. That's a productivity. That's this is the design other feature of language. Number fourth is cultural transmission. Through language, we can convey our message and transfer our culture. For example, here in Pakistan, the Turkish drama Ertugrul Ghazi is now continuing. So the language effect is most of the youngster get up the Turkish culture in Pakistan. This is the language effect and their cultural effect. So language is a other design feature of cultural transmission. Number fifth is discreteness. What is discreteness? Large complex message can be broken down into smaller or discrete parts. For example, there is a long paragraph or a long book. We make it a summary or we broke it, or there is a long word, we make the other similar word, so a short similar word for this. This is the discreteness. So it's a very simple. Duality of patterning. It is the ability to recombine small unit sound words similar to productivity. So it is very simple, dual patterning, and is prevarication. The ability to make the wrong statement. For example, when we tell a lie in some occasion, in some events we tell a lie. This is the ability of human being to tell a lie or make a false statement. This is the prevarication. So this is also a design feature of language. So if you understand this short information, then must subscribe my channel, and if you want more videos as like this and grammar and literature and motivation videos, then must subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.